I know it's been a while since you guys have seen me, but I wanted to let you all know that that condo that we bought is closing on Monday. So it's Friday. Just popped out this morning to go sign our closing documents as the seller.
So, all right.
Got a little bit of breakfast, of course. And I do have to swing by there today, grab all my marketing stuff that's inside the home, my sign. I'm gonna leave the lockbox so the buyers have access on Monday. And then also, the Salmon Creek house is, look, you don't even know how beautiful the Salmon Creek house is. So I'm actually on my way there right now. This rain is just not it, especially after being in Mexico 2 weeks ago. This was me 2 weeks ago. What a dream. Anyways, pulling up right now. Wow. Garage doors are getting replaced. They just came in, but we're not working on the outside just yet. Exterior's painted, stone is painted. Lights still need to go on. All right, let's do a little tour. Everyone remembers the main entrance, and then they are currently working on the stairs right now. So this is where the half wall was up, if you guys remember. Here's a flashback. Going to blow out all the half walls on the staircase. It looks so much more modern. And then update on the fireplace as well. We all remember what it looked like before. And now look at this. It just did not make any sense. Now the fireplace is centered. This stonework is exactly what I had in mind when we saw it at the store. Oh my goodness, how does this look exactly like the inspo pic I sent the guys for the fireplace? We're getting it. Look at the detail. Tour continues with the kitchen. Are you ready? I don't need to say it, but I'm gonna say it. The amount of work that has gone into the amount of soul and heart, because this isn't just like a flip. We're making it beautiful with quality and vision. I'm sure you guys get it. So the kitchen before and the kitchen now. Don't mind the mess. Just look at the custom cabinets. The stonework. You can't see the counters yet because they're protecting them, but I wanted to pull in some warm tones to go with so this island is going to be a natural wood color. Oh, you have to see the under cabinet lighting. Of course. Look at that. A plaster hood vent. So the way this vents to the outside, it goes up through here, through the joist. There was no way to undo it. And there was a soffit here. So to hide the vent, we put these two, watch. So it looks like a design that was supposed to be there, even though it was not. This is just the creative way we got around that hood vent. And I also wanted to show you guys these.
Up there, and over here. But it would add like more style. I don't know. You know how it starts turning? Obviously the pillar needs to be here.
Yes.
But then I have it starting right.
Lots of small little details. Now let's go look upstairs. The main area, master, bedroom 1, 2 and 3, and then the bathroom.
So this stuff is so heavy.
Oh yeah, is this quartz?
Yeah, this is a high quality one.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I went with the solid white. They had speckles, they had veins, but I figured with the busy floor in here, we wanted it to just be, oh my gosh, you put it in?
You didn't see?
No.
Turn the light into.
Sparkles!
Sparkle. You're fine for it. Yeah, this is installed.
The light's exactly what I thought it would be.
And this can actually you can come.
And then the shower got done. When are the doors coming in?
2 weeks from now.
All the trim.
Trim got done too.
Updated to black.
I fixed the hole over there.
And yes, the custom closet.
And yeah.
Wow.
It's not finished.
I cannot believe how much has changed since last time I was here. Oh, okay, yes. Oh, you didn't even send me a picture.
Sure.
And then you did the board and batten or whatever that one's
Yeah,
called.
it looked really bad all along that. They had some kind of like countertop thing here.
I remember that. That.
I'm not 100% done. It still needs to be filled and caulked before I paint. But it's pretty much there. And I'm going to use this spray gun to paint it.
Mm-hmm. Clean finish. This is the point in all the projects where I'm like, so can I move here? And that's a wrap at the house. And the adventure continues. Starting beginning of April, which is next week, I'm unloading a 16-unit apartment building in the property management division of Skyline Real Estate, where I am owner and principal broker. I'm gonna go see what stage, because it's all getting remodeled, so all 16 units are vacant, so we're gonna have to fill all of them. I just kind of want to see what stage they're at, and just to kind of prep the location, and if I have any tenants off market that are looking right now, I can at least be able to describe it to them. So right now we're gonna go to that apartment building and see if we can get a tour. Okay, there it is. I just want to look in one of the units. So this is common shared staircase. You walk in, unit 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like they're all 2-1s. Living room, kitchen,
And then a hallway down to the
2 bedrooms, stacked washer and dryer, closet,
bathroom. To be determined. Bedroom 1 and bedroom 2.
Safe to say these are not going to be ready next week. The neighborhood is a little more industrial. So it looks like you have a auto shop there, and then some commercial space, and then some single family, trailer, mobile homes, multifamily. Okay, not bad. I mean, honestly, exactly what I expected from a 16 unit. And this is actually right down the street from the condo. So now we're gonna go to the condo, pick up all our stuff. This may very well be the last time that I drive into this condo complex. We spent a lot of time here, and now it's done. From November to March. That's how long the buying, flipping, and resale process took. There she is, spot 802. Woo, 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 woo. Unit 115. So just grabbing all my stuff. So it's this unit plus the garage. And I think I did a pretty good job with this listing.
Lots of good details. Made sure it showed really well. Kept it clean, so I'm just grabbing all my marketing materials.
I'm going to leave the CC&Rs, the HOA bylaws. I'll leave the home book, grab all this. Attention to detail.
And then I had all of these signs up.
We did a good job, made it look super beautiful. Since we're in the spirit of doing before and afters, do you all remember how this looked like before? And in the end, we are going to replace these 2 vanities and make the floor lighter. Bathroom number 2. black trim, new floor, new sink, new vanity, everything. I think we did pretty good. Final numbers are not in yet. We're gonna go home and do the math, but we made about $103,000. That's the gross. That is not the profit. Now we deduct all of our expenses, remodel costs, holding costs, commission, sales. Everything is gonna be broken down. But all in all, this was a pretty good project for us. All this stuff, I'm just gonna get in my basket, redo it, and take it to the Salmon Creek house because that is the next flip that we have going on the market. Counters are gone. And he wouldn't have just used the lockbox?
He could have.
All done for the day. We just got home. I have a little bit of paperwork left to do, but I pretty much have the rest of the night off.